today I'm not at an Airbnb because of the whole quarantine situation that I'm sure everybody's dealing with. So one thing that Savannah and I have been really occupied with and found a new hobby in are food boards. So we bought one of these and we bought this book right here, and it has a ton of different food board ideas. And today we're gonna make some for you guys, Easter themed charcuterie boards. Whatever it is, these are really fun. You can do whenever you are stuck in quarantine and try it out for yourself because we think it's really fun. So, so if you're interested in this book, it is Beautiful Boards by Megan Brown. I highly suggest it out. That's where we've got all of our ideas from. And today we're gonna show you 3 of them from this book. And we've done a couple in the past. I'll throw up some photos right now. They're super cool, great for a party, whatever it is. Now, the first board we're gonna be doing is an Easter egg candy board. Because today is Good Friday and this Sunday is Easter, so maybe you could do this for your kids or your family or for your parents if you're a kid watching this, and just have a good Sunday Easter, and this will definitely impress everybody. So this is the first one we're doing, but first, what all did we buy for this thing? We didn't necessarily buy what the book had, we kind of used that as inspiration. Let's start off with what we got. Savannah, you can start off with this side.
Okay, we bought the pastel Easter themed peanut M&Ms, sweet tart chewies, except we didn't actually use these in the egg, but they still look pretty to sit out. Blue and purple pastel colored marshmallows. The Flips white fudge covered pretzels.
And then we bought these white Kit Kats. Next we bought these pastel taffies. Then we bought these Lindt mini eggs. Also fits the color scheme. Then we bought these Peeps eggs Easter edition. Pastel mini M&Ms. All right, let's get into making this board. Is complete and it looks beautiful. I think this is a great piece if you have all the candies surrounded around it, kind of like what we do right here, because I don't think anybody's really gonna pick off this and eat it. This is definitely just for decoration. So on your Easter gathering, this is definitely a cool, fun idea for your quarantine stays to have something to do. Now the saddest part, because we're not gonna eat this.
How sad.
That is so sad.
The taffy.
Oh,
wow.
Oh! No!
That's the first one I've ever gotten.
All right, done with the first board. Next board is a wonderful piece for breakfast, and it involves pancakes. Here we go. All right, now we're on to the next board. We have everything set up. Maybe on the Easter Sunday morning, right before you show them the Easter egg, you'll show your children this board and everybody will be happy. It is another inspired from this book. So we have everything laid out, not cooked yet. This one is the only one that requires cooking so far. So what all do we have so far? I will start. Of course, you got pancake mix. We will be cooking that. And then I have all the fruits. So we have blackberries, and blueberries and raspberries. We also have strawberries. And then we have these chocolate chips, and I think all of this will be good on the side of the pancakes to eat, including the chocolate chips in case you want to have a chocolate chip pancake.
Okay, I have nanners, bacon, natural peanut butter because I like peanut butter on my pancakes. Levi thinks I'm crazy. If any of you put peanut butter on your pancakes, please let him know in the comments that I'm not alone on this. It's so good, and if you haven't tried it, try it first. Okay, so syrup, pecan pieces, and just some blueberry muffins because we had them.
All right, let's get into making this board. is our pancake breakfast board. This one is so beautiful, I think. It is so gorgeous, laid out perfectly. Of course, we're inspired from the pancake board in this book. It's a little bit different though. They had a much larger board, but we used what we got. We laid off all of our condiments on the side, the syrup, the peanut butter, and the chocolate chips, and we really filled up this board.
I think what's gonna be good, I have two favorites. One is pancake, peanut butter, bananas, pecans, maybe with some dark chocolate chips. And then the other good one is gonna be pancake, bacon, twisted up and then dunked into the maple syrup.
Dunk it.
Yeah.
These are perfect for
They're
handheld.
perfect for dunking.
Dunking.
Here's what I'm envisioning.
She wrapped the bacon.
It's basically pigs in a blanket.
Dunked.
Dunked. Into the cave.
Into the cave. Oh, hot
Sweet
tamale.
and savory.
Mmm.
It's good right there.
That is good right there. Oh. I made it in the sink. Now, last but not least, the one we had been looking forward to is the charcuterie and cheese board. Now, we are no experts on really any of this. We just got inspired from this book, and we are a fan of everything that is on this table. Just finding things that go together is what was the hardest part about this. Now, what do we got here? I'll start off first. So we got wild blueberry, lemon, and thyme goat cheese. Very beautiful in the color and everything. Next we have sliced sharp. Dang it! Okay.
Sharp white cheddar.
Next we have sliced sharp white cheddar and also mozzarella string cheese because these will be wrapped with one of the meats. And then we got Irish cheddar cheese, smoked Gouda cheese, and then last, Dijon and herb rubbed Fontal cheese. This one is very delicious. One of my favorites. Okay, that covers the cheeses. Now, still on my side, we have beef snack bites, and we got some blackberry jam, and then we got this beautiful hummus that Savannah made because it just goes good with everything that is included in this board as well. Now, what do you have on your side?
Okay, I have pita chips, a green apple, green grapes, uncured pepperoni, uncured soppressata salami, and prosciutto, or prosciutto. I'm not really sure how to say it. I have honeycomb from the Savannah Bee Company, which Levi bought me when he was in Colorado.
So, we decided to keep the same board. It's very generic, and let's just jump right into this. So, that is this board. This is good for any occasion. If you're bored during this quarantine, any of the boards that were shown are perfect to make. I suggest you try one out and just have fun with it because it's really fun. So, thank you guys.
If you get bored, make a board.
If you get bored, make a board.
I want to eat it right now, but
Yes.
it's working me like a slave horse.
Like this video, share it with some friends or your family, and you guys can make this yourselves. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do. If you guys could just do me a favor during this quarantine time, it is hard to out travel and do the Airbnb videos. Just do me a favor and like this video and share it, and that really helps me out a lot, especially during this time. I like to do that with everybody else I know. It's just any way you can to help out the people you know, because nobody's really having a good time during this time. So thank you in advance. See you next week. Dang it, see you next week. Dang it. Babe, we're done.
I'm trying to eat. I'm not even hungry. Can you spell charcuterie?